me see that it's it. Come closer. You guys, Abel is having hyperdontis, so we are here at the dentist office for them to check him up and let's know next. Brush your teeth. Line of action.
And the gel is just an exercise area. Sometimes even I'm short. They struggle. They don't like that you do. I don't know, but I think I'm taking injection.
And he was much younger.
I don't generally, and you put the needle.
So sometimes, so we'll just use this one. Goes in.
The jungle play. You don't like jungle play. Right.
Alright. You have to have it, let me see. Let me do it now. Okay. It doesn't make them sound like that. So, I know you're not chicken-hearted there.
You are brave.
Never, yeah.
He said I'm going to be brave at the dentist.
Good one. Good one.
Strong boy.
Okay, Mom.
Strong. I'm done. I'm going to remove my gloves.
Good.
You've done very well.
Yeah, don't
Keep your, don't remove it, bite it.
bite on it.
Don't bite it. Bite it.
Swallow your saliva.
Don't bite it. Just
Bite it.
bite like that. Bite and hold it.
Hold it.
You're going to hold it for 3 minutes, okay?
Use your teeth to bite it down.
Bite it and swallow your saliva.
This guy is brave.
Good.
I am going to give him a gift.
Oh, brave
Can
Aviel.
you see? We're going to do 3 minutes, okay?
So keep counting.
Fantastic. What am I of?
So we are done with the procedure and Aviel was very brave. What was the procedure? How did you feel when you were on the dentist chair?
I was thrilled.
Huh? You're afraid?
No.
You're not afraid?
Yes, please.
Don't touch it, don't touch it. So Aviel has 2 new permanent teeth coming up. So they had to remove the old ones so that the 2 new ones can grow.
And the dentist gave me.
The dentist gave Aviel a gift because he was so brave. Aviel didn't even cry. He was just, you guys saw it now. Let me see. It was just.
It's a green toothbrush.
Good. He was just so brave. You should be proud of yourself, okay?
I'm proud of myself.
Absolutely. Anyway, you guys, I don't even think we're going home because we have church in the evening. So,
Yes.
just go and hang out
I
somewhere.
mean, what's today is Thursday.
Yes. Hey, look at your smile, like all this. Yeah, smile. Open it and let's see. Hey. So we just stopped at Abuja. This is my first time here.
Yeah.
The dentist said I should eat healthy food.
Healthy food. We want to go and get healthy food for Aviel. I'm not going to hear a word about healthy food.
And my other food that I have really good. They removed the old ones that I have.
They remove the old ones that you have because they want new ones to come out. So you can be cracking bones.
Because I don't like that when they're shaking.
They were shaking. Aviel's teeth was shaking.
Oh, that's shaking.
Ticking time bomb on the news all lately. Keep it on 10, count my blessings daily. Overeating, still live the dreamer. He saw vision, seen them all come to life. He saw healing come right on time. He saw favor and peace of mind. Can you tell what
I'm at the decor side of Ebano, and you guys, I'm in love. Things I'm seeing here are beautiful. Feast your eyes. Like, they are so cute. I love this particular thing. It's so beautiful. Like, they have such nice things, and the prices are not so bad though. Just look at, but you buy this individually or you have to buy the sets. It's really cute. I love them. I love.
Taking me off, counting down my next position. Bomb blasting, pouring backwards.
Good morning, guys. Welcome to a day in my life as a content creator. So I'm about to start doing my voiceovers. I already have my setup here. Look at my setup. I already have it here. That's my makeup bag and the various clothes I'm going to be filming with later on today. Can you already see? This is my setup. So I have like 3 shades there. I'm going to do my makeup, but I want to do some voiceovers first and get into doing some reels. So let's get started. Ghana versus Nigeria. Ghana versus Nigeria. I've been seeing a lot of videos about how Ghanaians and Nigerians are brothers and sisters and how we're supposed to love ourselves. But diamonds, Ghanaians are not showing us love. What they did yesterday to priceless hair.
I'ma make you feel alright. Be okay if we stick together. Can't be no better, I swear. Make your way down.
Hey, I'm done. You guys, have you heard the song? Let me play the song. It'll give me copyright strike, but I don't even care. Let me just be doing my makeup.
To the city, I'ma make you dance tonight. Open on your senses, don't let up. Sometimes I don't want to get up. Oh shit, my bullshit is so privileged. I look around the globe, we've been gone for so long. It's crazy, what the hell's been going on? We learn lessons, forget them maybe. Half the time we really right our wrongs. I need savior, cause that shit really gets me down. That's just not how it's supposed to be. Oh, I heard work can travel round. I heard that time's not by, not borrowed. You could be here and be gone by tomorrow. You better not trip, you drown in your sorrow. No, don't drown in your sorrow. We need you here tomorrow. Make your way down to the city. I'ma meet you there tonight. Save your fears when you rockin' with me. I'ma make you feel alright. Be okay if we stick together. Can't be no better, I swear. Make your way down to.
You guys, hi. So we are here for the Abuja couples dinner event. Like, it's a yearly event. This is the 4th year that we are coming. I always look forward to their grilled fish because the fish is always very big. Now that grilled fish, that be my hope for this event. Every other thing, I'm always just losing. But the games are usually like fun. It's a good way for couples to bond. Like now, me and my husband, now this year is our 10th year, and we don't old though. Hey, we don't be old though, good for this thing. I know I'm not old. I mean that in the game of marriage, like we are OGs. Okay, well, sorry, what is this? Alright, sorry. In the school of marriage, we are senior students. Our marriage is not yet a teenager, so let's not let's not. We shall thank God, but it's a good one because the questions. In fact, I'm going to film the questions because some questions you are like, hey, spray the perfume. Spray it on the air so that it will. Anybody that comes around me will know that Mrs. Banks. Talk to you later. Yeah, let's text Mrs. Banks. Okay.
You can go inside.
Loving others, and so receive to your husbands, and your home will be fed. Jesus,
Can we rise up? Rise up with your spouse. It's time to dance.
Lord.
You better continue to thank him and ask him for grace and wisdom. Then as a woman also, please and